Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make navy bean candy. This candy has only 3 ingredients and it's so easy to make. So let's start guys. So for this recipe, we're gonna need 2 cups of cooked navy beans, 3/4 cup of condensed milk, vanilla, you can use a teaspoon to a tablespoon of it, and 2 tablespoons of butter. So next, we're going to blend these navy beans guys, so until it gets really smooth. You can add a little water. It don't matter because when you cook it, it will evaporate anyway, so just add a little water to it to it can blend easily until it looks like this, very smooth. Now let's start cooking it. We'll mix it all together. Now add the vanilla. And the last thing that you're gonna add is butter. Then you just have to keep mixing this until it becomes solid, until it's hard for you to mix it, and that is the sign that it's done. And this is it guys. So what you're gonna do is you just let this allow this to cool off, and when it cools it will become like this. It will be easy for you to shape it into candy. And it's done guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you find this video very helpful and interesting, and please subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and hit the like button. Until next time, see you and take care.